Let me show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. When you move to a personal account, you will lose access to insights and the professional dashboard. However, you will gain the option to make your account private again if you don't want everyone viewing your content. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. If you currently have the professional, business, or creator account, you will see the professional dashboard on your profile. To switch back, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll to the bottom and tap Switch Account Type. Then choose Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will show you what features you will lose, including insights if you are ready. Confirm by selecting Switch to Personal Account. After a few seconds, your profile will reload without the professional dashboard.